Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathanari. The channel focused on the biostatistics, data analysis and data visualization related video post on this channel. If you like the channel video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Let's go to the video section for the now discussion for the interpretation of generalized linear model. The analyzed for the generalized linear model in SPSS, that video already published in our channel. That video link mentioned to this video description box. Okay, the continue part of the interpretation of generalized linear model in SPSS. Understanding the factor influencing the insect abundance is critical for ecological research and biodiversity conservation. The habit type, temperature and humidity are key environmental variables that can shape insect population dynamics. The study employs a generalized linear model (GLM) to examine how those factors influence the insect abundance across the different habit type for forest, grassland and wetland. So the table for the generalized linear model result: the predictor, B estimated value, standard error, world chi-square test and the degrees of freedom p value also present in the table. The predictor part of the intercept, habit type for the grassland and wetland, habit type for the forest and wetland, the temperature and humidity. The estimated B estimated value for the intercept 8.195, the grassland and wetland the B estimated value minus 0.201 and temperature minus 0.042 and humidity minus 0.068. All the value present are the table. So the result of the model fit and goodness of it, the omnibus test of the model coefficients, the likelihood ratio high square value is equal to 76.887. The p is p less than 0.001 suggests that the models statistically improve over the intercept only model. The confirming that at least one predictor has a significant effect on insect abundance. The goodness of fit, the statistics indicate a well-fitting model with low deviations 0.079 and scaled deviations 0.079, suggesting the model accurately described the data. The effect of predictor and insect abundance, the type 3 world high square, the test result showed below. The habit type, the temperature and humidity. So the habit type for the not statistically significant. X square is equal to 0.588, P is equal to 0.745. The no strong evidence that insect abundance varies significantly between the habit type. The temperature not significant. X square is equal to 0.085, P is equal to 0.770. The temperature does not have a significant effect on insect abundance. The humidity marginally significant. X square is equal to 2.808, P is equal to 0.094. The humidity must have some influence on insect abundance, but the effect of this weak. The parameter estimator. The parameter estimator show that the compared to the wetland, the reference category, the grassland has a non-significant decrease in insect abundance. B is equal to minus 0.201, P is equal to 0.480. And the forest also show a non-significant difference. B is equal to minus 0.397, P is equal to 0.452. The temperature has a minimal negative effect. B is equal to minus 0.42, P is equal to 0.770. Will the humidity show a small negative relationship of B is equal to minus 0.068, P is equal to 0.094. The final part of the generalized linear model in the conclusion sections. The generalized linear model analysis suggests that the habit type, temperature, and humidity do not have a statistically significant impact on insect abundance within the data set. However, humidity show a weak association, which may warrant further investigation with a larger sample size. The further studies already explore the additional ecological variables and employ the longitudinal data to the better understand environmental influence on insect populations. If you any doubt on this video for the interpretation of generalized linear model and how to analyze the generalized linear model in SPSS, leave me the comments in the comment box. I will reply to you. And if you like this video, click to the subscription button and support to me. Join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.